Leave that.
Leave that.
But that's the time.
Yeah, they will come back to it.
Come back to it.
Because the shop people think that you got it from the shop. And they think
Pick up that.
you think here.
Yeah.
Ja, det var kvar. Men det får jag
Oh my gosh, yes.
Oh
Oh my god.
So there are more stuff feelings.
Tô, pô. Ele foi no filho, mano.
Yeah. So good.
Dropped on my hand, and I'm rubbing it.
Huh?
Some dropped on my hand, I'm trying to rub it off.
Hey guys. So for dinner tonight, we've got a bit of everything that we absolutely love. We got salmon sashimi and the good old chicken roast. So come and hang out with us while we cook, eat, and laugh, and just enjoy a chill night. See you soon. Of course, Felici. Tell Dasanella to come. May punga na fa mama.
Mom, they're not listening, but
Oh, well, they're missing out anyway. Tell them it's sashimi.
Sashimi, push it up. Sashimi.
So I got the girls that twins into the hooker when they were very young. Ja, maar wel lang er is ja so piso tuna. Kiki ko fa lang hooker er is sila ko mas. So far. So far, ko ya fa masanya le hooker. So ta ila vera to.
Ayo.
Okay, ai like
Come and have some. Here, fish, so sweet. Like it? Did you find bones? Just bite one bite at a time. Oh yeah, there's a big one. Yeah. Bye bye. You like it? The bones? Yeah, the chickens are out. Dinner is ready. Oh. Lunch, yeah.
I'll be out for all the plates. Some you see more. Many, many.
MJ.
Sure, MC.
Ayo. Ayo.
Diz que ia ser fogo, cara, eu vou tomar. That's enough. Eu magoei. Vai ao lado.
Oh. Oh yeah, yeah. So we finished dinner now. Someone called like while we were still filming. We sort of just got carried away and didn't get to record everything. But thank you so much for hanging out with us today. Really appreciate you guys if you made it this far. If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications so that you don't miss tomorrow's video. Tomorrow is going to be quite a busy one for us, and we're so excited to share that with you guys as well. So if you like this sort of content, please hit the like button and let me know what sort of content you like us to share in the future. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya. Bye. Muscles? Wow. Big muscles, hey. Look at them. Well done.